Founded in 2000, Atech Composites is the composites facility for the Horizon Group and also is the only FRP component manufacturer in Asia to provide total solution for large-scale FRP component manufacturing. ATEC owns diverse technical capabilities. Recently, the composites product range expands from marine to aviation, national defense industry, transportation, infrastructure, and offshore wind energy. With accumulated diversified technology from cross-industries, ATEC provides the highest quality FRP hulls and large yacht components for Horizon's yacht collection. Nowadays, ATEC is the only total solution provider for large-scale FRP component manufacturing in Asia.
Three, two, one.
ATEC is the strongest technical support to Horizon Group. The R&D team plays a major role in Horizon's FRP products, researching the latest technology, validating material choices, developing effective production processes, and integrating cross-industry technology towards innovation in yachting. ATEC owns and utilizes a professional laboratory and extensive testing equipment, such as a material testing machine, which aid in examining the strength, rigidity, and glass content of the FRP components produced. ATEC is the first licensee in Asia to utilize the patented scrimp vacuum infusion process from TPI Composites. In recent years, ATEC has developed 6D infusion technology and obtained an invention patent. 6D infusion with automatic vacuum infusion equipment allows FRP hulls over 140 feet to be easily constructed and guarantees even resin distribution throughout the laminate for lighter and stronger hulls. ATEC is the only composite shipyard in Asia with the introduction of aerospace-grade non-destructive test and profile measurement technology into its build processes. Horizon, therefore, is the only luxury yacht builder to use aerospace-grade technology in examining every FRP and composites, mastering the accuracy of its yacht molds. Adhering to the spirit of constant pursuit of excellence, ATEC welcomes challenges from various cross-industry technologies. With continuous R&D innovation and exploration, ATEC has become the only total solution provider for large-scale composite component manufacturing in Asia.